Who wouldn't want to have healthier, softer and shinier hair? All of this is supposed to be easy to achieve with the help of OLAPLEX Bonding Oil number 7. Today I'm going to review this highly talked about and popular product by OLAPLEX, and I'm going to share with you my honest opinion about my experience of using this oil for about 8 to 9 months. Let's go! Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Anna and I'm a YouTuber who loves talking about beauty, self-care, style, shopping, travel and all of the cozy things. And today we're going to talk about hair care. I already shared my hair growth story and how I managed to grow my hair so long in the last half of the year on my channel. If you are interested in that video, I will leave a link in the description down below. And today I'm going to talk about hair breakage and how to make our hair healthier, hopefully with the help of this product. I am always interested in making my hair healthier because generally it's not very thick and I always want to make it better. And in the hopes to achieve this goal, I purchased this highly hyped product, OLAPLEX Bonding Oil. You can see this oil everywhere on the internet right now. It's all over TikTok, it's everywhere, so I was definitely influenced to give it a try. This product is not a cheap one, it is a premium hair care product and it costs about 30 euro here in Europe. So when I paid 30 euro, I think I expected something bigger, but I didn't look at the size of the oil when I purchased it, so it was mostly my fault. Here in this tiny bottle you have 30 milliliters. I'm about to finish it very soon. This oil is supposed to give your hair shine, to make it softer, to make it healthier. So it is supposed to restore breakage, restore split hair ends, and it is supposed to protect your hair from the heat. All of these qualities are listed on OLAPLEX website, and also they say that this oil is highly concentrated. And another thing that I wanted to mention, which was all around the news during 2023, is that about 30 women were suing OLAPLEX, claiming that their OLAPLEX Bonding Oil number 7 caused hair loss for them. In the end, nothing was proven, and I've watched numerous videos about this topic, and doctors and dermatologists explain that there are no really ingredients in this hair oil that can cause hair damage, and that there was no way to prove that this exact product is causing hair to fall out. There could be so many other reasons for these women to be losing their hair, so I really don't think that we shouldn't buy this product because we should be afraid that we're gonna lose our hair because of it. There were absolutely no proofs for this, and really that is not something to be afraid of. There were some claims about shampoos from OGX and some other brands which were causing hair loss, and that claim was something to pay attention to because there was a special ingredient in those shampoos that was actually causing the hair loss. I will write the name of that ingredient on the screen. OLAPLEX suggests that we use this oil on damp or dry hair. Only 2 to 3 drops should be used like that. You take one drop and then you take another one, and that is basically everything that you need for your hair, which for me was an impossible thing. In my experience, I need about 3 to 4 drops on each side of my hair, which makes it about 6 to 8 drops for my hair. I think OLAPLEX didn't want us to run out that quickly, so they suggest that we only use 2 to 3 drops, but I cannot imagine how we are supposed to achieve any result with just 2 drops on our whole head of hair, and I have no idea how we're supposed to protect our hair from the heat if we have only 2 drops of the oil on the hair. And in the end, I see almost 0 results. For this video, I filmed how my hair looks if I wash it and dry it without OLAPLEX Bonding Oil, and then on the next day I washed my hair and I applied OLAPLEX Bonding Oil and filmed my hair for you. And actually today I did the same, and that is how my hair looks with OLAPLEX Bonding Oil. I think we see almost no difference, or like the difference is close to 0, almost impossible to notice any difference. I think that maybe this oil was not made for thin hair. It is made more for like frizz hair, for curly hair, for really thick hair. So maybe if you have hair like that, this oil can do wonders for you. If you use this oil and if you loved it, please share with me your experience down below. I'm really curious to find out about it. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but at first I thought that I'm not applying enough product on my hair, but when I apply more product, it just turns my hair greasy and it weighs it down. So there is no way I can apply more in order to achieve more results. If you are somebody with thin hair like mine, I really think that you should think twice before getting this one. It's really a premium, expensive product, and in my opinion, it's really not worth the money. I really hope that this video was useful for you. Please click the like button if you enjoyed watching it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you very soon. Bye!